Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. This is mic number 3 we trying right now because it's so important for me. One thing that I do not like is to click on a video and bump into some audio issues. And I just feel like talking today, guys. This might go long. And I'm not editing it down. Those who gonna click on, gonna click on. Those who gonna click on and stay on. We gonna get into the meat and potatoes of the subject. But audio issues are one of my pet peeves. And so, in true big boss man fashion, we gonna keep on working on that until it get right. I am a reflection of the community. I am a reflection of the township. I am a reflection of the collective. So as I work on things and get the kinks out, you working on things and getting your kinks out. I know that. I thank y'all for clicking on and staying on and clicking on. Clicking all the way to the end. All of the information about how to donate, how to join our memberships is always in the description. I repeat, all information about how to join, click on, stay on, into the memberships, how to donate to the channel is down in the descriptions. As always, every week we go Thursday night live. We're going to also start instituting some members only live now that we up to 5 big boss man collective members who say, you know what, I believe in this thing so much. Here go my commitment. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. What you're carrying is valuable. What you are carrying is valuable. You are transporting a valuable commodity to and fro throughout this world. Like I always say, if we don't ever get in line to what we need to be doing, there are some lives that ain't gonna never get in line to what they need to be doing. So we have to get in line and understand if it's doing hair is valuable. If it's doing nails is valuable. If it's selling cars is valuable. If it's singing is valuable. If it's podcasting is valuable. If it's your YouTube channel, it's valuable. And don't you forget that. You know why Brinks trucks always get attacked? Brinks trucks always get attacked because they're holding some valuables. There's normally some money on there. The reason Brinks trucks get attacked all the time, and they constantly got to be on guard. The truck is made out of certain material. The drivers is always got some type of weapon with them. The bags, the communication, where people sit in the truck. That's valuable. And it has to be protected as such. I got caught up. I don't know if I was watching it or it was watching me. You know, you sit up in the bed, and next thing you know, you done dozed off, but the Netflix still rolling or the Hulu still rolling. But there was a guy, and he was doing a chain of Brinks truck robberies. That was that was his thizzle, for lack of a better word. That's what he did. Rob Brinks trucks. And what I found interesting, like I said, I think I was half asleep, was that sometimes law enforcement don't come in and get you and stop you from robbing them trucks because they still gathering intel. I repeat, sometimes law enforcement don't run in and get you immediately because they still gathering intel. I gotta see how long this dude gonna really do this. I gotta see how many people is in the organization. I gotta see if it's bigger than him. You were attacked not because of what you already delivered, but you were attacked because there's more stuff in the truck. And you kept scratching your head like, God, why I keep getting attacked? I'm the Brinks truck. I got all this security. I got my gun. Why they keep coming for me? And God said, I'm building a case for both of y'all. I'm building a case for the Big Boss Man Collective to make sure he is who he say he is. And I'm building a case against the attackers to make sure they committed to going down this path and this life of crime. I can't rush in and save you right now because I got to see something right quick. See, sometimes you can be protected and still get penetrated. You're like, I'm supposed to be the chosen one. I'm supposed to be God's elect. He's his protected one. His one that's supposed to do this stuff in the earth. Why am I getting attacked? Why it won't stop? God said, I'm seeing something right quick. Hold on. You all right? Because through this penetration of your armor, I'm seeing something about you. And through the repetitive attacks, I'm seeing something about them. I'm building a case. I am the grand law enforcement. I can run in and stop this at any time. But I'm checking for something right now. I'm checking to see how you gonna do. And it would be foolish of me to get up here on this platform and say, don't cry because you was attacked. That's foolish. I've been attacked. And sometimes you can't help but to cry. In fact, I'm going to submit this. The grand law enforcer don't even start kicking in till you start crying. That's the indicator that you ain't got nothing else left. I had to let some of that stuff get in and hit you. I had to let some of that stuff get in and hit you. But trouble don't last always. I am the grand organizer. I am the grand law enforcement. I'm just putting together the case. I'm just putting together. Because when you start going before people, God want that file to open up with you. This is his file. This is his qualifications. This is what he's had to endure. This is what he did. He did that. This is what he withstood. He did that. Sometimes the penetration of the armor is just to see, are these people going to keep going? I know my child. I know what he can endure. But is these people that crazy? See, the big problem is sometimes people don't know you the man. They don't know what's in the Brinks truck. They don't know who is backing up the truck. This ain't just no family heirlooms. The things that's in this truck got to be distributed all across the lands. This ain't just no local joker that you messing with. This stuff got to be distributed across the lands. So we're going to let you get your little thing off, your little armed robberies off. Go ahead. I watch. I'm always talking about my shows, but I watch To Catch a Smuggler. Okay, whole premises is different borders, and the people at the TSA and all of that is just trying to catch people from smuggling things into the country illegally. That's the whole premise of the show. But what I find funny about the show is sometimes they'll intercept the package it back up, and let it go through. Meaning, you trying to smuggle something, they find it, they wrap it back up like you had it, and let it go through. They're doing this because I need to see who else is involved. Of course, God's all seeing, all knowing. Whatever you believe in is all seeing, all knowing. Of course, that goes without saying. But sometimes I gotta sit back. Excuse me. Sorry, this mic is picking up everything. Sometimes I gotta sit back and see who's involved. So I'm gonna let you get that off. I'm gonna let you smuggle that little pack that you got. Who the big fish? Because understand, justice will be served. I don't know no criminal that ain't had to come in contact with the law. It goes hand in hand. I just don't know 'em. You think you can tamper with God's stuff? And he don't build a case to rain that down on you? I don't need you today. I'm just saying something. My child gonna be okay. I'm saying something. Because the reason that armored truck got so much armor, the reason that they got so much equipment is because what they carrying is valuable and it came from a valuable source and they need it to get to where it's getting. Same with you. It's important that you get to where you going and where you getting. It's important. Peace.